Okay, so the first technique I am going to instruct my patient and their caregiver to do is a seated epigastric technique. So, essentially what we're gonna do, I will be placing my hands right above your belly button. I'm gonna have you breathe in, extend your neck back. You're gonna hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then when I say cough, I'm gonna put a force in that area, and you're gonna cough to the side. You can flex your neck.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing I want to make sure is that it's locked. So the wheelchair is locked. So I'm gonna place my hands where I said I would place them. All right. So go ahead and breathe in and cough. And my force was an inward and upward force.